Okay guys, so set it up the timing on 4.3. I got the new tensioner right there. Timing tensioner. Put a new camshaft in there. So I just want to share a couple information, because I'm still working on it. But on this one, on the tensioner, bolts is going to be 20 pounds, 22 pounds each bolt. 12 pounds on it, foot pounds, whatever. And on this one, it's going to be, I'm using the 35 Torx. Let me see, I got them right here. I got the 30 right here. Let me see if I can remember this one. Yeah, it's gonna be 40 right here, 40 Torx right here. And yeah, it's gonna be 11, 12 pounds each bolt right there. And, all right guys, so I already set everything up on this one. So timing recommendation that I have for it's gonna be on this one, it's gonna be the bolt right here is gonna be, this one is gonna be, don't take this off. What I recommend is when you're removing this, don't take this off. Don't remove the bolt, with the gear. Remove the whole thing together, because to torque this back, you're gonna get in trouble. It's gonna get crazy. So you just better don't get this bolt out. Get the whole thing together. So on this one is gonna be 30, and then on this one is gonna be 11 pounds on those right there. And the timing marks, if you see down there. I don't know if you can see that right there. The marks right there. The point with the arrow right there. See right there, the arrow. Now on this side, this chain has the black link right there, which is, you need to go with the arrow right there, with this one right here. It goes like that on this one, and on this one gonna be up, and then it has this black link too on this side. So that's the way to go on this one. And this one, it has no mark, so make sure you got the TDC, and it should be fine with the timing.